Please welcome Lin Kah Ooi, Founding President, Motor Neurone Disease Association Singapore, whose speech will be read by Muslim Albakri, President of Motor Neurone Disease Association Singapore.
9 years ago, I had not heard of ALS or MND, but I knew Stephen Hawking. Now, I am a late-stage patient. I have a feeding tube and tracheostomy to sustain my physical body, and I depend on eye gaze technology to communicate. I am able to speak, though not clearly, which is still most wonderful. The Singapore MND Association was formed 14 months ago. Since then, MNDA's focus has been on the outreach, awareness and advocacy programs. We have active Facebook postings, a thriving website and chat group. We patients and families constantly encourage ourselves daily on these platforms because only patients understand what and how we patients are living through this terminal illness daily. Our persistent emotional struggles, our constant physical discomfort, and our burden on our families is very hard for any person to even imagine. Luckily, the minds of most patients are still very good, which is a double-edged sword, however. It is difficult to have a positive mind trapped in a dying body. The MNDA also organizes regularly online sessions to share information and for interaction amongst members. We members even had a picnic on the beach. This made everyone excited and happy. Yes, we patients can live our lives meaningfully, with dignity, receiving care and sustaining hope. Singapore in recent years has made good progress in the areas of medical care and counselling for patients. There is a dedicated medical team visiting patients at their homes, patients who need ventilation and respiratory support. I am one of the 200 plus lucky home patients. We patients need good news to sustain our hope, to give us reasons to live on. We want monthly updates on all the various research being carried out. Within 2 years, we patients want to see the degeneration stop. Within 5 years, we patients want to see lost function, especially breathing, swallowing and mobility, come back to us. Within 8 years, we patients will help in our community work to others. And within 10 years, ALS and MND will be history. I hope to fulfill my promise to my baby granddaughter, which is to walk her down the aisle during her wedding.